How to become a CPA in Florida and unlock a high-paying, recession-proof career. But not sure where to start? Here's exactly what you need to become a certified public accountant in Florida. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will discuss everything you need to know about becoming a CPA in the Sunshine State. From education to exams, work experience to ethics, you'll walk away with a full roadmap. So if you've been searching for a clear and reliable CPA Florida guide, stay tuned. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, education. Florida requires 150 semester hours of post-secondary education. Usually, that's a bachelor's degree, about 120 hours, and an additional 30 hours through grad school or extra courses. Your major should be in accounting or something closely related, and it must be from an accredited school. Within that, you'll need 36 hours of advanced accounting and 39 hours of general business coursework. Think auditing, taxation, business law stuff that builds your CPA foundation. Next up, the CPA exam. It's no joke. It has 4 parts: AUD, BC, FAR, and Reg. AUD covers auditing and ethics. BEC dives into business operations. FAR is all about financial reporting standards. Reg is your tax and business law section. Prep smart. Join a CPA review course, take practice exams, and create a study schedule that works for your lifestyle. This isn't a test you want to wing. Once you're crushing the exams, it's time to gain experience. Florida requires 1 year or 2,000 hours of supervised work. That can be in public accounting, private industry, government, or even teaching. Just make sure your supervisor is a licensed CPA who can officially verify your hours. Keep a detailed log of your projects, hours, and responsibilities. It'll save you time when you apply for your license. Before you wrap up, there's one last piece: the ethics exam. Florida requires you to pass an open book ethics test to ensure you understand what it means to be a trustworthy CPA. Study the ACPA's Code of Conduct and how it applies to real-life situations. It's open book, sure, but don't take it lightly. So, what does it take to become a CPA in Florida? Dedication, structure, and a real passion for the profession. If you meet the education requirements, crush the CPA exam, build solid work experience, and hold yourself to high ethical standards, you've got what it takes. And remember, this isn't just about getting letters after your name. It's about unlocking doors to powerful career opportunities in finance, leadership, and beyond. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more career-building content, and drop a comment if you're on your CPA journey. We'd love to hear where you're at. Need help with CPA preparation or financial guidance? Check out skfinancial.com, your partner in tax, finance, and accounting success. Thanks for watching, and good luck becoming Florida's next top CPA.